HP ink Advantage 680 black ink. This is the hologram to check the genuineness, and this is price is 904, Malaysia, country of origin, black cartridge. This is June 2025. This I got from Amazon with some approximately 10% discount. So valid till June 2027, 2 years. Let's see how it can be, we can do. So let me open this. This is the seal pack. Same thing is written, Malaysia, black cartridge, HP 680. Maybe it is Malaysian language, something is written. This, it is seal pack. It's saying tear here. So we'll cut this. On the top, we'll take this out. And this is the cartridge. This is the seal, and this is actually prints. This is the head, so we should be careful on this. We have to remove this, remove and put. So first we will remove what is inside. You can see here. This is the black one I removed. The same is the new one here. Then just take it inside and click. That's it. So I am trying to put a new paper here. So it is asking that feed the paper, so it will check whether the new cartridge is put correctly or not. It will do the test print. It's saying for better quality, place this paper on the glass and then take a copy. So because all of this are good, vertical, horizontal lines, slanting lines, all seems to be good. So we conclude that all this ink is perfectly good and we are fine. That's all. You can do it by yourself next time.